Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Abhishek Raj once again. Let's quickly go ahead and take a look on how equities should behave today and how you should prepare yourself for a successful and a profitable day. And where are the opportunities where we can make some money. So first of all, let's take a look on what exactly happened yesterday. Overall, as we had forecasted in the yesterday's morning session, that more or less markets would be range bound and we do not have clarity on directions. So exactly same thing happened. Markets were kind of range bound with positive biasness. We can say market did fell at one point of time, did recover, did make some highs, but did not sustain. So overall, it was kind of range bound trade that happened yesterday. However, one thing good that happened yesterday, the fall that we had on Monday, that did not continue. So clearly, that was a dip and a correction, and you should be planning. We can say that it was a correction of uptrend. So let us see how it works out from here on. Let's not be biased towards any direction, and let's plan for the best. Rest overall markets as forecasted were neutral and range bound. We have the similar view as of now as per the current levels. Traders are advised to wait for some strong moves on either sides before taking any directional views. FIIs did resume their buying in yesterday's session. We had some positive news as well in terms of Supreme Court clarifying on the AGR dues. They have given extension of approximately 10 years to all the telecom companies to pay off their dues. So that's quite a bit positive because lots of telecom companies have dues towards the banks, NPAs. That would have hopes of recovery. So that's good even for banking industry. Rest, looking at the numbers, foreign institutions bought about 500 crores. Domestic institutions sold about 775 crores. Foreign institutions bought index futures worth 1035 crores. They sold stock futures about 183 crores. They sold stock options were worth 181 crores. So overall, volatility was negative by 4.6% yesterday, close to 5%, with the Sensex and Nifty positive by 0.7% each. So that's how markets had been. Let's take a close look on Nifty. As you can see, in last two sessions, Nifty had been taking support on 20 days moving average, and FII's buying has resumed. Yesterday's candle was more or less a positive candle with a doji candle as well. So I would say yesterday's highs and lows are very crucial. And the behavior of index was exactly how we had forecasted. RSI is showing a little bit of strength, but MACD is still negative. We still maintain the same view on Nifty. It's positive above 11,550. Rather, it's positive above 11,500, but I would like to take a trade above 11,550. And it would be negative, nothing below 11,300 levels. On Banknifty front, as forecasted, it had taken a resistance on 200 days moving average. The fall did not continue. Banknifty did not break its day before yesterday's low. So 20 days moving average is showing positivity as well. MACD, RSI are both positive. Traders are advised to approach the markets with neutral V and with positivity. Will act accordingly as and when things develop. Support for Bank Nifty is placed around 23,300 to 23,000 and followed by 22,500. 200 days moving average may work as an immediate resistance. That's 25,000 level. So let us see how it works out. Now on trade perspective, there is not much for trading, but yes, I have certain things that you should know. Number one, Nifty is positive above 11,550 with support 11,300 followed by 11,000. Bank Nifty positive above 24,200. You can go long. You will have your stop losses around 23,300 followed by 22,500. Metal index, as we had said in yesterday's session, that it's the only index that's showing strength. So metals were very strong yesterday. You can find buying opportunities in metal index. Nifty IT has sustained below 20 days moving average. So for now, I would suggest to avoid Nifty IT. Nifty Auto would be positive above 8,000. Nifty Pharma again is showing weakness, profit booking, and it's trading below 20 days moving average. We have a positive view above 11,500 Nifty Pharma index. So keep a watch on Nifty Pharma index. Nifty Energy is also below 20 days moving average, and it has made a dragonfly doji on daily chart. So in case it goes above yesterday's high or closes in today's session above yesterday's highs, there could be a positivity. So we would want to wait for it to sustain above 20 days moving average. So I will update you on the energy stocks like Reliance, Indian Oil Corporations, Bharat Petroleum, all these stocks in the real market timings. Rest, there are 3 stocks that you can look forward to buy positionally. As I said, markets we do not have a clear view on markets unless and until Nifty is trading below 11,550 and Banknifty below 24,200. So these are stock specific views. Be prepared to add more on dips. So these are positional views from a perspective of 1 to 3 months. You can initiate long into DLF, Indigo, Bata India and Devis Lab. We have a view that it can give you a return of 15 to 30% within 3 months. We can even hold it longer for better returns. They are all special stocks. So that would be all in today's session. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And that would be all. Abhishek Raj signing off. Stay healthy, stay wealthy.